Today I'm going to show you how to set VLC Media Player as your default video player in Windows 10. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to open any video file on your computer and have it automatically play in VLC. No more fumbling around searching for the right program. No more confusing pop-ups asking what app you want to use. This simple change can save you tons of time and make watching your favorite videos far more enjoyable, especially since VLC handles so many formats smoothly. Let's get right into it. We're going to use the Settings menu in Windows 10, and I'll walk you through each step, clarifying what's happening along the way. Start by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. That's Windows plus I. This quick keyboard shortcut pops open the Settings app instantly. If you're new to shortcuts, think of this combo as your secret doorway straight into Windows settings. You could also click the little gear icon in your Start menu, but the shortcut is just faster and a little bit satisfying once you get used to it. Once the Settings window is open, look for the section called Apps. It usually has a small list of icons next to it, but you're looking for the one labeled Apps. Go ahead and click that. If you're ever unsure, don't worry, just take your time. You can always go back or try the step again. Now, inside the Apps section, glance over to the left sidebar. You'll spot an option that says Default Apps. Click on that. This page is where Windows keeps track of which program it uses automatically for common tasks, things like email, web browsing, music, and of course, video playback. Setting VLC as your default video player here means your computer will always choose it first, so you won't have to manually select it every time. Scroll down this Default Apps page until you see Video Player. You'll probably notice it currently shows movies and TV, or maybe something else if you've changed it before. This is Windows' built-in player, but it's pretty limited. It doesn't support as many video formats or nifty features as VLC does. Click on the default player shown here. It'll open up a small menu with other choices. From the list that appears, choose VLC Media Player. If you don't see it right away, double-check that VLC is already installed on your PC. Selecting VLC tells Windows, "This is my go-to app for videos from now on." It's a bit like switching your favorite coffee mug in the morning. You're making things just the way you like them. Once you've clicked on VLC, that's it, the change takes effect immediately. Next time you double-click a video file, it'll open with VLC, giving you all its powerful features. Crisp playback, support for almost every video file type, subtitles, and even audio tweaks. No extra clicking around needed, and you get a smoother viewing experience every time. And that's all there is to it. If you run into any hiccups along the way, like not seeing VLC in the menu, just make sure you've installed it from the official website. Remember, customizing your default apps is a great way to make your computer truly work for you. If this tutorial helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you've got questions or ran into any problems, drop a comment down below. I'm happy to help you troubleshoot. And if you want more straightforward tech tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded VLC video playback.